Reason codes and reason code groups are set up in the Sales and Marketing module underneath Setup, and then Sales Orders, and then Returns, and then Reason Codes and Reason Code Groups. Let's start by making a new reason code. To make a new reason code, you'll click the new icon in the Return Reason Codes form. Here, you can select a reason code. In my demonstration data, they have used numbers. However, you may want to consider using letters as an easier identification of the reason for the return. I'll type in a number to be consistent with my demo data, such as 40. Then, in the description field, you can type a detailed reason as to why you're returning the particular item. So for my example, we'll say it was the wrong size. Then you can select the Return Reason Code group. I'll put this into a group called Order. It's important to note that the Return Reason Code group must exist before you can create the return reason codes. If I wanted to add a restocking fee to this reason code, I can do that by using the Charges button. So I'll go ahead and do that now. You click the Charges button, and then you'll use the New button to create a new reason code. You'll notice that the account code is set to table and it's linked to this specific reason code. Then on the Lines section, you'll select the Charges code. In my example, I'll use Other. You can select the category, whether it will be a fixed amount, pieces-based, or percent-based, and then type in the value. For my example, I'll say there's a $5 restocking fee. After you've created return reason codes, you can create return reason code groups. Let me show you how to do that. They're found in the Return Reason Codes group, which is underneath the same folder. Here, you can click the new icon to create a list of the reason code groups. I'll create one called CS for Customer Satisfaction. Then you can use the Return Reason Codes button on the Return Reason Code group form to add the reason codes that should be a part of this reason code group. Let's talk more about disposition codes in our next lesson.